Hi, my name is David Mogollon. I'm the editor of Industrial Water World and Water and Wastewater International for Penwell Corporation. We're here at Weftec 09 in Orlando with Jack Evans, the president of Hawk Measurement. Jack's going to give us an overview of the booth, some of the priorities they've got coming up in the next year, and highlights of what they have on exhibit here.
Yeah. Thanks, Dave. So Hawk is a level measurement company, and what we do is we manufacture and service level control products. And an overview of our product line is continuous level measurement, point level measurement, and sonar sludge level measurement. So right here we're at the stand for our continuous level measurement. We manufacture level instrumentation to work in difficult applications such as foamy environments, solids, when you have materials coming into a tank or a silo that disturb the whole silo, and for vaporous type products. So we have continuous level for the difficult applications. Okay, and then we have point level products, which is over on this side of the
Lead us on.
Okay, so point level products are there for either a high level shutoff or a low level shutoff or high, low. And we have different technologies for different applications. We have a conductivity switch, a vibration switch for liquids and solids, and an RF switch, or admittance switch. And these are there for our continuous level measurement. Customers often want to have a high level safety shutoff for their pumps or valves.
Right.
So we've launched these last year at the Weftec show, and they're doing very well. So we've displayed some of these actually working in their environment, such as the vibrating switch. It's vibrating, and once you touch it, it activates a relay. And then I let go, and it goes back to normal operation. And the same holds true for the admittance switch. If I touch it, it activates the relay, and when I let go, it deactivates. So our sonar sludge level measurement is designed to be able to work in a clarifier, primary clarifier, secondary clarifier, or a thickener. What makes this most interesting for the customers here at Weftec is that we have 13 different transducer types for their particular application. If they have a very light RAS level, we have a transducer that's made for that application.
What's RAS stand for?
Return activated sludge. Okay. So it's going back to aeration to be able to grow the live bugs or biomass. And on the other side, we also have very large transducers for thickeners, which you have a lot of heavy solids falling to the bottom, and it's very difficult to get through. So we make a large crystal transducer that actually gets through the suspended solids to be able to measure that bed. And it's important for them to measure the bed to get a good density measurement out of their pump. Okay. So, and here's a few examples of our cleaning mechanism. It's important in any tank to make sure that you keep the face of the transducer clean. Okay. And in this case, we're using an actuator to actually move the transducer through the water and then back. And that cleans off the transducer face. Okay. So when we actuate this, it moves through the water, moves back, and the shearing effect cleans the transducer. Now, we have other cleaning mechanisms as an impact plate, which also does the same thing. When a rake comes by, it flips it back down into the water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now this is in variety of it. This isn't just, say, a wastewater application. I'm assuming that for, I'm speaking in terms of municipal. This would also be industrial applications as well, I would imagine.
Absolutely, yeah.
Food and beverage processing has a lot of
food and beverage
stuff.
Power plants also have waste treatment plants as well on site. Yeah, right. And in the food business, they're trying to settle out materials also.
Exactly.
Yeah. So there's the cleaning mechanism. Yeah, yeah. One of the things that Hawk has done is developed a remote communication tool. We call this Hawk Link, and we connect to any of our devices that we make with this, and it's a modem that we install with the device, and from anywhere in the world we can communicate with the instrument that's in the field. Here's an example of what we would see on the screen at a remote location, and we can configure, troubleshoot, trend, and make sure that the instrument is working in a healthy order. And these devices go with the instrument, and we can send it to the site after it's installed also.
You'd mentioned you just installed one in Madagascar.
That's correct. Yeah.
What type of
we
facility
have.
was that?
This is a nickel mine.
No. Okay.
Yeah. We have them in waste treatment plants all over the country as well.
Well, Jack, I want to thank you very much for the tour. We hope you have a great show and a great year.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Yes.